Hi, my name is Brian Schwartz, which should be unsurprising considering this channel is called Brian Schwartz and you clicked on a video called The Zone of Death, briefly explained by Brian Schwartz. So with the introductions out of the way, let's dive right in. What would you say you know about this area? Maybe some potatoes. Montana has some precious metals such as gems and gold, and maybe you even know of the multitude of national parks in the state. This area is Yellowstone National Park and it hides a dark secret, besides the birth of Yogi the Bear, of course. An area known as the Zone of Death, which is a 50 square mile area where the borders of Yellowstone spill across the border of Wyoming and into Idaho. In this location, a person can get away with any crime from littering to murder. So what makes this situation unique? This loony legal loophole lays lacking logic, longitudes and latitudes less a legitimate lawful location, as Yellowstone also spills out into Montana, yet there's but one zone of death. To begin, let's briefly explore the basis of the American legal system. There is a Supreme Court who has ultimate say over legal matters over the entirety of the country, while smaller federal courts handle less important federal cases. Meanwhile, each state has its own court system set up the same way, unless you're Louisiana and have to be special and use Napoleonic law, where the Supreme State Court has almost ultimate authority, but within the state's borders, except in the case of Wyoming, where it has judicial authority over all of Yellowstone. This is all well and good until we bring in the Constitution, which states in its Sixth Amendment that a jury for a crime must be of its peers, so they must live in both the district and the state in which the crime was committed. So the members of the jury must come from inside Yellowstone and the state where the crime was committed, which may shrink the options for jury, but what's the catch? This 50 square mile area in Idaho is considered uninhabited. Therefore, there is none who's considered qualified to sit on the jury. Therefore, these crimes cannot be tried in the Wyoming courts as there is no jury to provide a verdict. This loophole was first found by Brian Colt, a Michigan University law professor who wrote the 2005 paper called The Perfect Crime. Despite his lobbying to close the loophole, no government actions have been taken, but luckily there has been no proof of crimes committed in this area. So maybe avoid any trips to Yellowstone with anyone you deem dangerous. And remember, most murders are committed by close friends and relatives. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.